Really fascinating, right? Because people are like, machines are going to take over the world. They're automating, takes out the human, no bias. Well, who is training the AI or the machine learning? Well, it's humans. So you know what they say, what comes in comes out. So if you input biased data, and there's tons of examples out there in current events right now, you're going to output bias. But even if you don't input, the algorithm can infer bias in the data. So you could get that automated insight, but it's about being able to take that insight and then understand if there's bias and understand if there's different perspectives. One, great tip is there's this big kick on explainable AI, which is great. It makes it not a black box. I equate this to, I used to hate this when I was younger, but we were younger and you have to do your math homework. They would deduct points if you didn't show your work. I'm like, well, I have to show my work. I know the answer, right? But they do it because if you made a mistake, they want to know where you made the mistake so they can teach you why you made the mistake. So when we use automated decisions and there's no explainability to it, how do we know it wasn't biased? How do we know it wasn't unethical? But just by adding that explainable AI doesn't mean we're mission accomplished. We need the human to then look at the rationale and say, okay, let's apply cognitive diverse perspectives. Let's look at different alternatives.